Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today's video is not about any specific expert advisor. Now, as I mentioned in my previous video as well as my Telegram channel, that now it is not the right time to trade. However, if you are going to trade with manual, that would be better because you will have better control. But in case if you are trading with an expert advisor, then please use caution. And because tensions in the Middle East is increasing day by day, and more news are still to come, and almost we are heading to world war. Hopefully it should not happen, but it is somewhat that is already happening. And upcoming US elections that are going to bring huge fluctuations, volatility, and spikes in the upcoming days, and it is already happening. Okay, so we already stopped the expert advisor that we were trading on real accounts. I think we stopped in last week of September and a few on the first week of October. Okay, so this video, the intention to create this video is we are watching the market, and I personally actually used to trade manually as well along with EA trading, but since I mentioned that we already stopped the expert advisor right now, so in all the VPS like what we have, like we install on few of the expert advisors that we were trading in recent as well as in the past. So just to check their performance, that how those expert advisors are performing in these volatile moments. So the links of these expert advisor you can get in my Telegram channel. Okay, the link of the Telegram channel is mentioned over there, or you can just click on and I will also mention the portfolio link of my FX book, so you can just check those performance over there as well. Okay, so here the first one is this is gold. Okay, so the drawdown has been, we recently started live from October 14, and today is October 27th, but today is Sunday, so the last trading day was October 25. Okay, so we are taking it as October 25. So this one like 1.88 percent drawdown, and the monthly return is 0.87% so far. Because it is just like few days, maybe it will perform better when it will become 1 month. Okay, and this is the currency pair EA. No, it is also gold EA. Okay, gold scalper, and the maximum drawdown was around 39.38, and the monthly return monthly return is between October 14 till October 25. We generated 13.16% so far. This is the currency pair expert advisor. The drawdown so far was 3.95%, and monthly is 18.12%. This is for gold again. Okay, so the maximum drawdown went so far is 10.02%, and the monthly is 12.43%. This we started on October 16. Okay, it is October 14 again. This is again a gold expert advisor. This is the monthly drawdown. I mean, so far the drawdown was 0.61%, and the monthly is around 1.36%. And here it is again gold expert advisor. Okay, and the drawdown so far is 1.48%, and the monthly is around 4.96%. This is a currency pair expert advisor again. Okay, and we were trading five pairs over here, and the drawdown so far from October 14 till October 25 is 3.93% as a drawdown, and the monthly is around 2.78%. Means like we have generated 2.78% so far. From October 14 till October 24, the maximum drawdown is 0.25% here, and we generated around 1.08% so far. Right. So this is again a currency pair expert advisor, and here we made the maximum drawdown so far from October 14 till October 25. I think we started on October 15 anyways. So the maximum drawdown is 0.51%, and the monthly means the return that we generated so far is 1.47%, because it is not a month, because it is just 10 days or maybe few trading days that we traded so far. Okay, so, and this is again a currency pair where we are trading with 6 pairs. Okay, on 5K, and the maximum drawdown in last few days is 2.07%, and the return that we generated in past few days since October 14 till October 25 is 3.76%. Okay, this is again a currency pair expert advisor, because gold I think like we have already covered. Okay, so this is also currency pair expert advisor, and in since October 14 till October 25, the maximum drawdown went was to 1.21%, and the return we generated so far is 1.92%. This is again a currency pair expert advisor. We started again on October 14 till October 25. The maximum drawdown was 17.48%, and the monthly is around 19%. Monthly means the revenue generated, return generated so far. Okay, and again, this is an expert advisor for currency pairs. From October 14 till today, we made 4% so far, and the maximum drawdown went was 1.93%. This is again a currency pair expert advisor. Okay, and we are trading around 5 pairs over here, and so far we generated 0.51%, I mean 0.88%, and the maximum drawdown went is 0.51% so far. This is again a currency pair expert advisor, and we generated around 23.67%, and the maximum drawdown went in last couple of days since October 14 till October 25 is 17.77%. From October 14 till October 25, the maximum drawdown went was 0.03%, and the monthly is around 0.54%. Well, this one is real. Okay, this one is real because there is very low risk in this particular expert advisor. So only this expert advisor is running right now. So these are all the accounts that we generated recently. So we can monitor how the expert advisors are going to perform in these volatile days, in these manipulated days, in these unpredictable market behavior, how the EAs are performing. I'm very much sure that a couple of EAs will give very high drawdown, and that is very much obvious because we are not supposing to trade these days, but since we are not trading and our VPS are free, so therefore we just install these expert advisor, and it would be very interesting and interesting to watch these expert advisor performing during these days. Okay, and the last expert advisor that we stopped was our Fab expert advisor EU Blaster in the real account, and I think we stopped last week. Okay, in October, I mean last Friday itself. Okay, so far it's around 6.5 months. No, it's more than 6 months, but since April 15, 24 till October 25 or October 25 or 24. So it's more than 6 months, 6 months, 1 week, I would say, and precisely. Maximum drawdown went was 43.24%, and the monthly was around 9.04%. Okay, so guys, we have already stopped our most of the expert advisor, and hence, I mean, I'm very much interested to see like how these EAs are performing, and how many of these are giving huge drawdown, and some may even, I mean, close the entire capital because these days are not supposed to be traded. But yes, it would be interesting to perform or to see performing these expert advisors in these volatile days. So guys, if you're interested to check these performance, actually I have provided you my FX book portfolio link in the video description, where you can just click and just check all the expert advisor performance. Maybe our real account performance in the few expert advisors in the past, and these are mostly demo accounts that we are performing from October 14, because these days we are not supposed to trade, and I personally used to trade manually, but like I'm not forcing anyone to stop trading, but it is just my opinion. Okay, so I have provided all these details in the video description, as well as please join my Telegram channel where you can find these links as well. And so that's pretty much it, guys. In case if you like the video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, as well as please join the Telegram channel as well. And if you are interested in any of these expert advisors, feel free to contact me on email or Telegram. I have mentioned both the contact in the video description itself. So thank you very much, guys. Thanks for staying with me. And I wish you very good luck and a lot of prosperity, success in Forex market, profits, and a good health. Thank you very much.